How to change profile pic on Facebook. Start by opening the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile at the top. Over here, tap on your profile picture. Then, tap on Select Profile Picture. From here, you can choose photos from your camera roll to set them as your profile pic. Select a photo of your choice. You can also add a caption or a frame to the photo if you want. Then, tap on Save at the top right corner. You have now successfully set this photo as your profile picture. Following these steps, you can easily change profile pic on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.